Hello and welcome back to the ZeduHow series. I'm your host, the jolliest of developers, and in today's episode, we are diving deep in how to get our chatbot set up to be able to run on all our sites, to be able to get it embedded, maybe even set up a little Facebook messaging bot for your Facebook page or for your Twitter page if you want to have a little bot that can talk to people. People can ask it how it's going, get nice little conversations up, and see how cool it goes. It also has Twilio, it has Viber, it has Slack. If you want to set up a Slack bot that you can talk to, you know what, that is awesome. Go ahead and do that. If you want to know what Slack is and how to set up your own Slack community, then make sure you check it out. But let's dive in. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to go to the web demo. We're going to click enable by clicking this little button right here. Then once it's going to ask us, it's going to say, seems that your agent info is not filled in yet. Set the icon description for better end user experience. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the settings. Now, important, make sure that you give it a good description for people, because people are going to be able to read this part, and you want to make sure that it sounds cool and it looks cool, okay? But right now, I'm just going to update the avatar. All you have to do is click right here, and after that, you can go to your hard drive, select what you really want to use today. I'm just going to do that really fast. Make sure that you have the right profile picture that suits your branding or your bot. I'm just going to upload my ZeduHow logo, and as you can see right now, you can type in a little description. I don't really have any description for this one. This is mostly just for this video. However, make sure you type it in, and once you're done, you press this blue save button. If you're not done typing, pause the video here, type it in, and if you are ready, then awesome, good on you. Now it's time to move back to the integrations. So click on integrations. After that, we're going to click on web demo, and then what's going to happen is we are going to go to this address right here, and what's this going to allow us to do is it's going to allow us to come over here, and here we can ask it anything, and it's good to test it out one more time. Okay. And you can already send this to somebody else. This is sort of like just a front end for the developers. You can email it, you can share it. The other thing that you can do is you can click embed. Once you click embed, it's going to give you this code right here. You copy this out. If you're using Wix, then you can scroll down and it'll say how to embed. We'll also have a video on that, how to embed things in Wix, and we'll also have a full Wix course coming out soon. Same thing with Weebly, we'll also have a course for that coming out soon, but that'll be coming in the future. Until then, we can go back and we can also set up all these different versions. So make sure you scroll down. I'm just going to run through some of the features that it has. It can go on Facebook, it can go on Slack, it can go on Twitter, it can go on Viber, it can go on Twilio, it can go on Skype, it can go on Telegram. As you know, Telegram is an awesome group messaging system. Awesome, make sure you check it out. And you can go on Kik if you really want. You can even set up for a line, Cisco Spark, Amazon Alexa, and even Microsoft Cortana. But anyway, today we are having a lot big and a lot more exciting video coming out soon. We're going to have a full Photoshop course. We're going to have a full Adobe Illustrator course with logo design, and make sure you guys check it out. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It just lets us know that you're watching, so we push ourselves to make better videos for you guys. If you guys like this video, then you know what to do. Hit that like button. If you guys have any criticism for us, or if you want to let us know if you have any questions or anything like that, make sure you comment down below. Until then, I will see you guys in the next episode. Have a wonderful day.